Hey friends, if you encounter audio renderer error, please restart your computer error on YouTube. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart your computer, and that really fixes the problem. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart it. The next solution is to unplug and disconnect the second audio playback device. I mean, physically unplug any conflicting output device or input device. For example, if you're using a headphone, a pair of headphones on your computer, and also a speaker, then disconnect one of them. The next solution is to restart the Windows audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on it and then select restart. The next solution is to update audio drivers. How would you update audio drivers? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window, and then expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each driver and update it. Right click on each driver and update it. Right click on each driver and update it. The last solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to system on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.